The world seemed so simple before this moment.
I thought you might enjoy watching one of my favorite videos.
Oh, I'm sure it will be a very educational experience.
As they travel along on the railroad.
Love toy trains?
I love toy trains.
Pookie Poo?
I haven't seen this since I was 10.
He watches live action.
Water tower for a drink. Hey, I thought these guys were extinct. That was then and this is now. They must have found their way back somehow. I don't know what.
More I Love Toy Trains. I watch I Love Toy Trains, it's funny.
I don't think so. I don't want to.
Oh, if you didn't know this, my cousin was on an Arthur episode, if you didn't know this, when that show was made. Oh, and that reminds me, that show ended after being on PS Kids for 25 years. Here's a little clip of the episode she was on. Rest in peace, Arthur. That's my aunt cousin's Arthur episode she was on. That's my cousin right there.